Forget Switzerland. There's a country that looks just as magical. Alpine lakes, castles on cliffs, snowy mountains. But it's 5 times cheaper. Here, you'll find a lake with an island so beautiful it looks like a fairy tale. A full gourmet dinner with local wine, less than $15. And a luxury hotel with mountain views, only $60 a night instead of $300 in Switzerland. The best part? Hardly anyone outside Europe even knows about this place. No massive crowds, no overpriced tours, just quiet trails, crystal clear rivers, and villages where time feels frozen. You can hike alpine peaks, swim in turquoise lakes, and drink wine that locals say is better than France. All in the same day. It's the perfect mix of adventure, relaxation, and culture without draining your bank account. This hidden paradise is Slovenia. Would you swap Switzerland for Slovenia? Comment Slovenia if it's now on your bucket list.